Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to buy Gmail storage. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in of course Gmail, or go to the top right corner and click on Gmail there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Gmail storage. So you can buy more Gmail storage through Google One, which offers various plans depending on your needs. So visit the Google One. So go to Google One and sign into your Google account. I'll be providing you with, of course, the link here. Then when you're there, Google One offers different storage options starting from 100 gigabytes from $1.99 a month. Then click on, of course, the upgrade or get discount here. As you can see, we have that option also. And then select the plan that suits you. Review the price and payment details and then click subscribe. Your Google storage is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos, so upgrading will give you more space for all these services. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.